Beyond cholesterol, how statins could lower dementia risk. This is a scientific video which is based on research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Please see the reference section available at the end of the video for source papers. Statins, the widely prescribed cholesterol-lowering medications, have long been associated with cardiovascular protection. But in recent years, researchers have begun to explore an unexpected benefit of these drugs, a potential role in reducing the risk of dementia. Intriguingly, new findings suggest that this protective effect may extend even to people with low or normal cholesterol levels, hinting at a mechanism that goes beyond lipid management. For decades, high cholesterol has been linked with an increased risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease, especially when the elevated levels occur in midlife. This has made statins a logical tool in the prevention arsenal. However, studies have shown inconsistent results, some suggesting statins help, others indicating no clear effect. What's changing now is a deeper understanding of how statins work. While their primary function is to inhibit HMG-CoA reductase, a key enzyme in cholesterol biosynthesis, statins also have pleiotropic effects, that is, benefits that are independent of cholesterol lowering. These include anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immunomodulatory properties, all of which may play a role in protecting brain health. Recent cohort studies and meta-analyses are beginning to highlight a surprising trend. Individuals with low baseline cholesterol who take statins still appear to have a lower risk of developing dementia. One possible explanation lies in statins' ability to reduce vascular inflammation and improve blood flow, key factors in preventing vascular dementia, which arises from reduced blood supply to the brain. In addition, statins may reduce amyloid beta accumulation, a hallmark of Alzheimer's pathology. Some experimental models suggest that statins influence the metabolism of amyloid precursor protein, AP, thereby reducing plaque formation. Moreover, statins may modulate microglial activity, the brain's resident immune cells, which can either protect or damage neurons depending on their activation state. By dampening excessive microglial inflammation, statins may help preserve neuronal integrity over time. While the data are promising, this does not mean that statins should be universally prescribed for dementia prevention. Most current evidence is observational, and causality remains unproven. Randomized controlled trials, RCTs, specifically targeting dementia outcomes in non-hyperlipidemic populations are still needed. Additionally, statins are not without side effects, including muscle pain, liver enzyme elevations, and a small increased risk of diabetes. Their use in older adults, especially those over 75, should be considered on a case-by-case basis, balancing cognitive benefits with potential harms. As the global population ages, the burden of dementia continues to rise, prompting urgent efforts to identify preventive strategies. If statins do indeed offer cognitive protection beyond cholesterol management, they could represent a cost-effective and widely accessible tool in the fight against dementia. For now, the evidence supports a closer look. Physicians and researchers alike may need to rethink statins not just as cardiovascular agents, but as part of a broader neuroprotective strategy, one that may benefit even those without elevated cholesterol. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more discoveries straight from the lab to your screen.